Hello and welcome back. We are going to start our new section, which is nothing but a reaction enthalpy. तो सबसे पहले इस टॉपिक का नाम लिख लेते हैं, which is nothing but reaction enthalpy, and we can have like different type of a reaction enthalpy, and again it is represented by delta H only. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर जो हम देखने वाले हैं that here we will see many different type of enthalpy, जिसका हम सिर्फ definition देखेंगे, which you can read from your NCERT textbook और state level textbook. ठीक है. एंड जहाँ भी हमको लगेगा कि फॉर्मूला लिखने की जरूरत है, सो देयर वी विल राइट इट, स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन. यहाँ पर जो है हम फर्स्ट वाला लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज डेल्टा एच फॉर द रिएक्शन. क्या डेल्टा एच, और इन बिटवीन इफ यू आर राइटिंग आर, सो दैट रिप्रेजेंट दैट दिस इज द एंथैल्पी ऑफ अ रिएक्शन, एंड इट इज नथिंग बट the sum of enthalpy delta H of all the product minus delta H, that is sum of enthalpy of all the reactant. ठीक है. So in this manner we can write the enthalpy of chemical reaction or enthalpy of a reaction. So delta H or delta R of H is equal to sum of enthalpy of a product minus sum of enthalpy of all the reactants. ठीक है. And similarly if you write like standard enthalpy of the reaction, so it should be summation. Here we can write like delta H naught of product and minus of summation of delta H naught of reactant. ठीक है. So in this manner we can write like standard enthalpy of a reaction also. Now let's see, apart from the our enthalpy of a reaction, what do we had? So for next is our enthalpy of fusion. So enthalpy of fusion is nothing but here we can say it is the enthalpy of a reaction when one mole of a solid is converted into its liquid form. So here we can say when solid is converted into liquid, so ये केस में जो भी हमारा हीट का एक्सचेंज होगा, एंथैल्पी का एक्सचेंज होगा, दैट इज गिवन बाय डेल्टा एच ऑफ फ्यूजन. सिमिलरली अगर हम सॉलिड से लिक्विड जा रहे हैं, ऑल्सो वी कैन गो from liquid to gas also, and that is called as vaporization process. So here it will be enthalpy of vaporization. So enthalpy of vaporization is when a liquid, one mole of a liquid is converted into its gaseous form. So that is called as enthalpy of vaporization. And we can have like one more type where it is called as sublimation, delta H of sub, and this is actually solid directly converting into the gas form. And this we can see in case of camphor, this we can see in case of iodine. कि iodine को आप जैसे ही burn करोगे, it is in solid form, but as soon as you will heat it, वो directly convert हो जाएगा into gaseous form. बिना convert हुए liquid में it will directly convert into gaseous form. So this is our like top 4 type of enthalpies. अब इनके अलावा भी we have different type of enthalpy. Now let's see enthalpy of formation. Let's say delta FOR, and here we can say H. So enthalpy of formation is, here we can say formation of a product from reactant also in the standard form. Let's say formation of a product from a reactant in standard form. दैट मीन्स लेट्स से अगर हमको वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बनाना है, सो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल नेचुरल स्टेट इज नथिंग बट लिक्विड, और अगर उसको हम बनाएंगे सो इट विल बी फॉर्म फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन व्हेन कंबाइंड विथ हाफ ऑक्सीजन, बोथ शुड बी इन गैसेस स्टेट, means hydrogen gaseous state, oxygen gaseous state, it will form liquid in it will form water in liquid state. So this will be the enthalpy of formation. ठीक है. Means all the things should be present in their standard form, that is hydrogen, oxygen should be in gaseous form, और जो water form होगा that should be in the liquid form, and that is called as standard enthalpy of formation. Of course जब भी हम standard की बात करेंगे, so here we can use this delta H naught for symbol. So that will be the enthalpy of formation. So now let's see our next type of enthalpy, and here it is called as enthalpy of atomization. So यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं delta H ATM, that is atomization. यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं delta H naught should be there, that is standard enthalpy of atomization. और इसका अगेन फॉर्मूला अगर हम देखेंगे, atomization means formation of atom from the natural or the naturally occurring molecules. For example, let's say hydrogen atom अगर हमको फॉर्म करना है, so the source should be H2 molecule. जो भी अमाउंट ऑफ एंथैल्पी लगेगी उस बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करने के लिए, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एंथैल्पी ऑफ एटमाइजेशन. सो हियर वी कैन से व्हेन H2 is heated or it is broken, bond is broken, so it will give you two atoms of hydrogen, and this is called as enthalpy of atomization. ठीक है. So now next one is enthalpy of combustion, and it is written as COMB and again delta H naught. So here we can say that combustion is nothing but the burning of anything in presence of oxygen is called as combustion reaction. और इस पूरे reaction में जो combustion reaction उसमें जो भी enthalpy का exchange होगा it is called as enthalpy of combustion. ठीक है. So here we can say, let's say carbon plus oxygen is burning together, so it will give you CO2. So that is nothing but enthalpy of combustion. Then methane CH4 plus O2 will give you CO2 plus 2H2O. So that is again enthalpy of combustion. So whenever there is a reaction which is any substances, for example it can be carbon, it can be methane, it can be anything, when reacted with oxygen, और इस केस में जो भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, along with that we will have some kind of enthalpy also. So enthalpy of combustion can be said as the amount of a heat released when 1 mole of a substance is heated with oxygen. This is our enthalpy of combustion. And also we can have, like, let's say one more, which is enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution. So enthalpy of solution is defined as the enthalpy exchange when 1 mole of a solute is added to a specific amount of a solvent at, of course, at standard pressure and temperature. ठीक है. So these are our total 8 type of enthalpies which will be defining our different type of chemical reactions. ठीक है. अब इसके बाद इसमें से अगर हम देखेंगे, सो देर आर फ्यू ऑफ द एंथैल्पीज विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे कि फर्स्ट वाला एंथैल्पी, दिस वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. देन वी कैन सी आवर कंबशन प्रोसेस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, फॉर्मेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ये सब आगे बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. सो या दीज थ्री ओनली, फ्यूजन अप टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, बट या लेट्स मार्क दीज थ्री ओनली, कि ये तीन एंथैल्पी जो है, that is enthalpy of a reaction, enthalpy of formation and enthalpy of combustion. ये तीनों enthalpy they are very very important because ये हमको क्वेश्चन में बहुत ज़्यादा देखने मिलेंगे. Now apart from that, let's move over to the next topic, which is nothing but Hess's law, and again one of the very important topics of this section. So guys, thank you for watching till the end. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then do subscribe our channel, like this video ko abhi ke abhi. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then do like our video, do like our page. And if you're watching this on to Instagram, then follow our page. And of course, do share this page to as much student as possible. Okay? Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.